Hey, we're outside having a swim today, aren't we? Hey? Yeah. We're listening to all the birdies. Yeah, we'll go for a swim. Yeah. She's got so big. Haven't you? Yeah. Ooh. We're outside getting some vitamin D, aren't we, darling? Yeah, get that beautiful sun on you. And have a little bit of grass. Yeah, a little bit of grass that's left. All our grass is dying. Everything's dried up so quickly, guys. We're going to have a really, really bad summer this year, I think. Hey, beautiful. What do you reckon? Hey? Yeah, spending some time outside in the sun, aren't we? Yeah, my little fluffy duck. Hey? Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? Hey? Yeah. What are you doing? Woo woo woo. Woo 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 woo.